Get that motherfucking knife. Oh, this stupid loud bitch.
The fuck?
Run.
Ah, fuck. Fast as fuck, boy.
Got one time.
You're gonna get a whole bunch. I'm not gonna lie. You sound like you on track. Stupid.
Bruh.
Why would you put that shit right there? Stupid. Oh my god. Oh my god, the block killed me.
Okay, I'm ass. What the fuck, bro? Wait.
Slob on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job.
Lay on the bed and give me head. Don't have to ask, don't have to beg.
Juicy is my name, sex is my game. Now she cool as hell. Please don't touch, though.
What the fuck is this?
Oh, vagina shot. Oh. Johnny's sick in the fucking head. Oh. He stuck it up a cooch.
I'm ready.
And then, okay. Where you at? Is this you right next to me?
I am in the table with the ping pong.
He's coming up to the ladder! He's coming up to the ladder! He's coming
Shit, run.
He's coming up to the ladder! Yo! Go, fucking run! He's running! Everybody's running! Everybody's running! Yeah. Where you at, Lynn? I'm in the basement.
I'm in the basement also right behind you.
Oh, were you the black woman? Oh, you
I'm
the
the cheerleader.
I can feel his
I got
aura.
health. Oh, turned on? Oh, turned the call.
Okay, I put
Oh, shit, I got it.
I put perfume everywhere, so if he comes in, we're gonna know. See?
Yeah,
Why
please,
would, bro? Why would you walk in it? Now he knows where you at. Dumb.
I got
I don't know who it is, but somebody smell like shit. Somebody motherfucking stink.
do it.
We
Hopefully I can
gonna
fill it
tell
up.
the real nigga.
Hey, at least he's killing
Somebody
them.
smell like shit.
It's good.
Yeah.
Somebody smell like shit.
Honestly, if you need to run, just run. I'll just meet back with you.
Hey, come on.
Maybe we'll go up there and find the car keys.
Come on, come on. Check out the
You're
attic.
spotted, so you go up there. Yeah.
No, he's not paying attention to me, probably.
I'm gonna open the back of the basement up so we can escape from there.
I'll be watch over here.
Alright. The basement door unlocked.
There's no point in doing the attic.
Yeah. I'm gonna just find something to defend myself with. You have like a wrench or something?
I locked it. I locked the door over there.
Alright.
Lock the fucking door, huh? I don't like doors around here. They make me crazy.
Close the door, close it, lock it, lock that bitch.
I put
Lock.
pepper spray.
Okay, come on. Close the door.
Blinded also.
Ah, fuck, Lanny, for real.
Yeah. Oh! That was so lucky. I still got to the fucking door.
Come on, we're on this way.
Lock all like possible exits that he could get into. So he either has a lockpick or bars, so we'll like hear that.
I got you.
And then if anything else goes bad, we got the window right there. Oh, he's barging.
No more locked doors.
Oh.
This way does it. Good.
Oh shit.
What the fuck?
The Chinese.
That scared me. Alright, go down the ladder.
I'm dropping instantly, so come down. I'm gonna fall on my ass.
I got a knife if you touch the fucking... I'm hiding in this corner, maybe he won't see me. Oh my fucking god! I stopped that bitch.
Thank you, Landon. Right.
God bless you.
We'll meet up together and I can give you some help.
Ooh.
Let's fucking go.
I can't jump out. What?
That was clutch.
Whew. Let's get another one. You wanna do another one? Oh, I'm Johnny. I'm Johnny.
Oh shit.
Where you going, bitch?
I like you, and I want you. Now we can do this the easy way, or we can do it the hard way. The choice is yours.
You got blood on the... Damn.
I like you, and I want you. Now we can do this the easy way, or we can do it the hard way. The choice is yours.
They were just jumping out windows. The second bitch that jumped out a window on me.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh, she hit me. What the hell? Got that. I got that. She dead. She gone. I see you, Landon. Was that you, Landon? Let's see. Nope.
Oh. Stupid.
Another one bites the dust. Another hoe down, and another hoe down. Another hoe bites the dust.
Okay, please don't fucking kill me, because my teammate literally revealed me with perfume on purpose.
Then show me your teammate, show me the teammate, because I'm right here, bitch.
Okay, it's another fucking cheerleader, but it's
Show
not
me
me.
teammate. Go. I'm acting like I'm chasing you, go.
I think it's right here.
Go, no, that's me, go. I can go in.
I don't know where the fuck she went, but she's somewhere. Where are they?
Bloody fucking phone is fucking ringing, bastard! Listen now, your bloody phone is telephone fucking ring. Bloody hell, pick your fucking phone up, you
dying.
bastard!
I don't give a fuck who your dad is. I don't give 2 fucks who your dad is, bitch. I started listening in and I heard her. Bro.
I broke the ladder on purpose.
Stupid.
This you?
I ain't.
Call my name and say
You had to.
I'm a sick motherfucker. Wait,
You had
they
to.
left. I won, right? That's a dub. You cops ain't here. That's a dub. He left. That's a dub. Wait, he survived? He got out the ladder?
I'm glad.
Okay. So you want me to just wait? So what do you want me to do with you? You want me to just wait on the cops and be like, hey, yeah, I let him survive, but I killed our friends.
You're like fucking, don't hurt me yet,
No.
don't hurt me yet. Come on,
But
you chasing me, but there's everybody else around.
No, wait, no. Only time I ever.
Yeah.
Well, the only time I ever said that was the face cam. I said my face cam's off.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, don't kill me because that's kind of fucked up because I'm not even playing. Another one bites the dust. I got killed. Got the motherfucking man Johnny off the bat. She's lagging. She's trying to stop. She like tried to like let me kill her. I was like, nah, you better run. She started running. Another one bites the dust. And another one down. And another one down. I feel bad for him. I'm not gonna lie. I killed him fast. Detective work. Somebody smell like shit.
I don't know who it is, but somebody smell like shit. Somebody motherfucking stink. we gonna tell the real
Somebody smell like shit.
Somebody smell like shit.
Somebody smell like shit.
Somebody smell like shit.
It's not the Asian.
Wait. Somebody smell like
Why she
shit.
trying to stay off the guy?
Nope.
Bro, I'm just killing everybody on my phone. To the neck, ho. Now you on the float, ho. No more smoking bowls, ho. You know where anybody's at, Lynn? You can stitch on?
I'm not gonna lie, I've only seen like one person throughout this game, and you were killing them right in front of me.
Then I know exactly where you are. Oh, somebody flushing toilets.
Who flushed the fucking toilet?
Somebody flushing toilets. Somebody flushing toilets. Bitch took a shit.
I don't know who it is, but somebody smell like shit.
Bitch got killed. Bro, why you gonna hold it? Bro, I swear these doors wasn't locked. Landon, you in this fucking room, ain't you?
Hell no.
Yes, you
I'm
are. You in
downstairs
this...
now.
Oh, now you hopped out the... Motherfucker.
Now I'm going in the bed.
You've been in this room. You've been in this room, have you? Yes, you have been in this motherfucking room.
No.
You've been by the ladder, have you?
I only went down the ladder once you fucking saw my fear.
Oh, I knew it, but I was going up there, right? And I was like, the only place I haven't checked is the lateral spot. So I'm going up there to check it. And I see a door that I didn't lock across the hallway from the door I was going. So I break in there looking there. And I was like, I go to that door, I was like, none of these doors was motherfucking locked. Everybody was, I was like, so I knew you was somewhere up there, fuck. I gotta
That was a
get
good game.